Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Hey, good morning, everybody. A chilly morning. We dropped all the way into the 30s, though, into eastern Kentucky. Some spots were in the low 30s. Now, at the main reporting stations that we're looking at here, still a few are in the 30s. Hazard 34, 36 in Harlan, 39 into London right now. But some of the Mesonet, which, again, that is a local level group of weather stations across the state of Kentucky, that Mesonet showed some parts of the eastern Kentucky, Paintsville area down at 29 early this morning. So not only did we have some frost out there, there was likely a freeze in spots in eastern parts of the state. Now we're starting to climb because of the sun up. Let's give you an update, though, on the drought monitor. Remember, this comes out once a week every Thursday. Well, we did not pick up much rain over the weekend. Most spots were, if we were lucky, around 1/10 of an inch, if that. Some did get up to about 2/10 or 1/4 of an inch, but after last week, went into a moderate drought and a severe drought that creeped into the Lake Cumberland area. Okay, so with little rain over the weekend, when we get our update Thursday, we'll likely see that expand and get worse. That's the bad news. Very thin clouds overhead right now. There are more upstream in Indiana and Illinois. Those will work their way southeast into Kentucky into the afternoon. Today, you'll see that on Futurecast. I really think this is overdoing the coverage of clouds. We will see some high cirrus clouds filtering the sun a bit, but don't worry, still plenty of sun, and it'll be warm today. Cold front begins to approach the Ohio River by early tomorrow morning. Could even bring some spotty showers into northern Kentucky tomorrow morning, and that chance still exists there tomorrow afternoon. Some data wants to bring a little bit more of that rain a little farther south. Right now, we're keeping our rain chance for that period small because confidence is low that that really happens. Today, no rain, partly cloudy, breezy, though. Highs mainly in the mid-70s. A few spots could get into the upper 70s. Breezy conditions. Those gusts could go north of 20 miles an hour. Scattered clouds, not as cool tonight. I know some of these numbers from the Weather Service want to put eastern Kentucky down to the 40s. I think that's way too low. We may get some sheltered valleys over there tomorrow morning that are in the 40s, but anywhere near a ridge top or a little bit of a higher elevation is definitely going to be likely near 50 or better. Then Friday into Saturday, some scattered showers and some storms, especially into Saturday. Friday, a good part of the day looks dry. The next 7 days, so going through next Monday and Tuesday, rain chances, we could get maybe an inch or more. We'll see if that holds true. Every time that it's looked like in the long term that we were going to get more rain, as we've gotten closer, it's just kind of faded away. So we'll watch it, but any drop of rain will take it. Warmer and then a bit cooler with that rain chance into the weekend. Krista?
Justin, thanks so much. We need the rain.